Hello everybody and welcome to the Crafty Casita. Last week during my Tuesday live event, I was asked about the 3-ring album storage case. That's this guy right here. The 3-ring album storage case is part of our Fab File product line, and it was designed to hold 3-ring albums. And you know, I probably should have pulled one of those out for this little video as well so you can see. Let me grab mine out of here. So this is what it was intended for, holding those 3-ring albums. Now, the difference between 3-ring albums and strap hinge or post-bound albums is that the 3-ring albums have a set spine size. They don't expand the same way that the strap hinge style or the post-bound style of album expands. So the box is a little bit different size because of that. It fits the 3-ring albums perfectly. It's 15 by 13 by 3, but it will hold so many other things. And that was the topic of conversation last week during Tuesday Live, and I said I'm going to do a little post and talk about the 3-ring album storage case. So besides the fact that it's going to hold your 3-ring albums, it's going to hold almost anything else that fits in that 12 by 12 genre of products. So the specific question was, can I use it to hold my scrap pockets and store my scraps? So this is a scrap pocket. They come in packs of 3. It's a 12 by 12 pocket with a little tuck flap right here and a little label on the side. And the short answer to that is absolutely yes. It's going to fit right in there. I'm going to fold back the top here so you can get a really good, it's roomy. You have plenty of room in there. So it's going to fit that with no problem. The next question was, what about my Scrap Master? If I wanted to make this a scrap control center, could I put my Scrap Master, so that's this guy right here. It's got all these nice pockets. This is all the blue scraps in my little scrap collection. Can I fit my Scrap Master in there? Yes, you can. The Scrap Master is slightly larger. I'll pull out the paper pocket just so you can see. Then the paper pocket. So it's obviously it's fatter because it opens up, and it's a little longer because of the tab. But that Scrap Master fits in there just perfectly. Next question, can I use it for project planning and storage? Can I put my project planner pages in there? Another answer, absolutely yes you can. So your project planner pages are going to fit right in there as well. So that's a standard scrap rack page. It'll fit in there with no problem. The really big question, what about my cutting mats? I'm looking for a place to store my 12 by 12 cutting mats. Can I put those into that 3-ring Fab File? And you absolutely can. Now, as I'm standing here thinking, oh, I had another thought in my head. I wonder if you were trying to store or transport a scrap rack Spinder, would that also fit in the 3-ring storage case? So I've got one, oh, it's stuck on the Velcro here. I've got one right here. Let's see if that will fit possibly for storage or transport of a 3-ring, of a Spinder section. So we'll pull these guys out. Open up the lid. Now, always with the scrap rack pages, the question is about keeping those pages flat. So, and this answer, absolutely. So, now I don't have any dividers on this Spinder. So let's look. Yeah, it's a perfect fit, but there are no dividers on the Spinder. So if you're looking for a place to store Spinders full of product that you don't use that often, maybe it's a subcategory, maybe it's something like Christmas, which you're not using Christmas at the same time that you're using birthday, or you're not using Christmas at the same time as you're using 4th of July. So you might want to store certain sections of your scrap rack, label it on this side, pop it onto the shelf. It's protected. It's also portable if you wanted to take it somewhere, but everything stays neat and organized right inside that box. And then when you're ready to work with it, you can just pull the box off the shelf, take it over to your scrap rack, see if I have room here, pop it onto your scrap rack, and you're ready to go. So super simple way to store sections of your scrap rack that you're not using all the time as well. So the 3-ring album storage case, available on our website, ideal for storing and protecting your 3-ring albums, but it's also going to work great for everything from scrap rack pages to Cricut cutting mats. This is the 12 by 12 mat, obviously. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Hope you have a great rest of your day.